Hi friends, and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. By the request of David Liu, he says, what's inside the red fish with rotating lights? We shall see what's inside this fishy.
Toys for you.
One engine to rule them all. The wheels beneath are aided by levers. Mechanical movement is transformed into different movements for tails and fins. Also, the electric motor provides energy for the LEDs and the sound. All this thanks to one electric motor and well-designed lever and circuits. Honorable mentions go to processor. Pretty simple, huh?
Now let's see if it will work. It works!
Hey, did you like that? Please let me know and press that like button. Thank you.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.